Hello friends, hope you are all safe and sound. This video gives brief information about PTE academic test. We'll see what all are the sections, question types one need to face, along with the average time for each question. In the next series of videos, I'll also cover tips and tricks for all the sections and try to summarize some useful material and links one can refer to. First of all, just trying to convey a message. I'm not any certified trainer or associated with any team or organization. Based solely on my experience, I'll try to help you all with the best effort and knowledge I have. Just highlighting my score, which I got in my second attempt. Got 79 overall in first attempt, but got this required score in second attempt of mine. We'll share with you all the methods which I have applied to get this desired score. So, why and who shall give this exam? If you aim to study or settle abroad, this test often helps you to justify the level of your English and also gives you the required points. Highlighting some advantages of this test. Fast results. Results are available in around 3 working days. The test dates are easily available and flexible to be rescheduled. The test is globally approved by many universities across many countries. Since it's a computer-based test, we can be assured of the results being secure and calculated as defined. The score communication can be sent to any number of universities and score validity is 2 years. Some more details about the test. It has got 3 major sections. The first one being speaking and writing, nearly 40 questions with 77 to 93 minutes of time. The reading section has nearly 18 questions and the time span ranges from 32 to 41 minutes. The listening section consists of 20 questions nearly with 45 to 57 minutes of time. Scoring is computer graded and we'll discuss about this in detail in coming videos. The topics for various sections are totally random, which might range from science and technology, sports, current affairs, politics, history, or anything like that. Before any scored section, you have to introduce yourself, as well as state the primary reason you are giving the exam for. You may additionally cover things like where are you from, your profession, but just try to be brief and clear. So the first section, speaking, has got 5 question types. The first one being read aloud, where you have to read the text on the screen clear and loud. Repeat sentence, you have to repeat the spoken sentence or phrase. Try to use exact same order, intonation, etc. Describe image, you have to speak about the image appeared on the screen. Retell lecture, in your own words, you have to retell the spoken lecture. Answer short question. Answer with single or few words after listening the question. Writing section has got 2 major question types. Summarized written text. After reading a text, you have to summarize in a single sentence. Essay, where you have to write an essay on the given topic, quite an important section. For both the question types, do mind the word limits. This is the PTE official table, which gives all the required information of the question types we just discussed. We'll discuss further in detail about the timings and the sections which are impacted in future videos. Now, reading section consists of 4 major question types, 2 different multiple choice questions, that is with single answer and multiple answers. Reorder paragraphs, you have to reorder the randomly given paragraphs. Fill in the blanks, there are 2 question types. One is drag and fill type to assess your reading score, and the other one is selecting from drop down, which impacts your both reading and writing scores. So again, this is the PTE official guide table that gives all the required information for reading section question. Now, Listening section consists of the mentioned question types. Summarize spoken text. Summarize the recording in your own words within 50 to 70 words. Like reading section, this section also has two different MCQ types, that is, with single answer and multiple answers. Fill in the blank. Fill the required word you heard from the recording. Highlight correct summary. Select the response that best summarizes the spoken recording. Selecting the missing word from the sentence which was just played. Highlight incorrect words. Identify the incorrect words from the transcript. Write from dictation. Type the sentence played in the recording. Ensure no word is missed. So these cover in detail about each question type and the average time involved. Needless to say, all the times are well structured, but due to good number of questions, one always needs to be very attentive while listening. That's all folks. I'll upload some more videos briefing about tips, tricks, and scoring pattern and some useful material which will help you prepare well. For more information or guidance, you may connect on this email and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.